Alright, so sikhuluma manje ngama-halo alkanes. Umndeni omusha lo. Umndeni uyazi ukuthi sikhathi sathi yini, homologous series. So kule halo alkane, if uthatha i-periodic table yakho uye ku-group 7. Ku-group 7 wonke lama elements ayezansi, o-chlorine, bromine, iodine, abizwa ngama-halogens. Lawa ama-diatomic ahlezi ehamba no-2 eceleni. Lawo-ke iwona uma ezobonda nama-alkane. So if i-halogen ne-alkane ihlangana kuphuma i-haloalkane. Uyayizwa into leyo. Usuyayazi nje i-alkane. So into ediwe kuyona i-alkane is just i-halogen. Kwaphuma i-haloalkane. I-general formula yakhona ithi CnH2n plus 1. Akhumbula eyani e-alkane ibithi CnH2n plus 2. Le ithi CnH2n plus 1 egcineni ifaka u-X. U-X could be either u-Br, u-Cl, u-I, yabo, any halogen. Okay, and then we also have a functional group. The functional group is just a halogen itself. The halogen bonded to a carbon, so we haloalkane layer. And then its suffix, igcina ngo-ane, ngoba egcineni it is a haloalkane. I-alkane na egcineni, which would mean igcine ngo-ane egcineni, which would we have let's just say bromo lo. This is 2 bromo methane. Ngeke uzube khona because ku-methane kukhona odd. So ayikwazi ukuthi i-functional group ibe kwi-carbon yesibili. Yabo? So ngaba u-bromomethane. And then we can get olandelayo ethane. Mhlambe kube u-bromoethane, 2 bromopropane. Mhlambe 2 bromobutane. Kube u-bromopentane, bromohexane, bromoheptane, bromooctane. Kuya ngokuthi ke u-Br ubekiphi. So le number le na example. So 2 dash inumber negama kuhlukaniswa ngo-dash every time. So ugcina ngani akuhamba nge-alphabetical order. U-B ufika kuqala no-P. So bebengeke bathi 2 propane bromo. Yabo? Which is why bathi 2 brom le functional group. And then yini lena u-propane because it has 3 carbons. And mobile on the chain is 1, 2, 3. The functional group uBr utholakala on the second carbon on the chain, which is why it's 2 bromopropane. Okay, now the structural formula is on this is very mind. So it's a 2 bromopropane. Propane because they have 3 carbon atoms, and then 2 bromo because u C single bond bromo utholakala on the second carbon, not on the first and not on the third, but le ephadeni ndawo, which is how we get loya 2 loyana. And then a condensed structural formula is i-condensed structural formula bukusi lo C uqala ubonded to lokhunjana abangaki o hydrogen abangaki 1 2 3 phuma CH3. Uma uyi single bond there's no need to put i-dash, but ke ungawufaka mawuthanda. Kubo C H no Br, CH no Br, mase kubo CH3 omunye. Isiphumile ini i-condensed structural formula yakho. And then we go on to i-molecular formula. Again ngiyagcizelela i-molecular formula nje ikutshela ukuthi ama-atoms of a certain atom mangaki. U-C 1 2 3 C3, H 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. U-Br uwodwa so awubhala, which is how we got the formula. So uyabona ukuthi iyafana C N H 2N plus 1 X iyona le. Because UN u3 angithi so C3. So 2 times lo 3, 2N is u6 plus 1 u7. U-X iliyona in halogen, which is u-Br. So as you can see, there it's everything you need to know of ama-haloalkane. As in phambili. Okay, so now I'm sure uyabona ukuthi maningi kakhulu, but ke take your time wahlukanisa mawuthi wenza ama-notes, make ama-notes on each functional or on each homologous group nge-page ehlukile. So homologous series la alcohol mhlambe ubone kwama alcohols mhlambe ama vodka, beer, there's different types. Nalana ke there's different types of alcohol depending on the number of carbons and the positioning of the functional group. Okay. So each general formula kwama alcohol it's CN H2N plus 1. Masiba no OH egcineni. Ilo OH nje wenza kube alcohol obondane no C. So now a functional group nangu OH obondane no C. And then the suffix ol, which is njengokuthi alcohol kuno ol phakathi. So you can get methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol and octanol. So manje ke example lesidila na is propan 2-ol. Why kube khona uthula? It is because usikhombisa i-positioning yayo i-functional group ukuthi u-OH is on the second carbon atom. Asambe soyibheka i-structural formula. Mawuyibuka la structural formula singabala sithi 1 2 3. As you can see the OH is on the second one, which is why it's a propan 2-ol. Bangaki ke OC bawu 3. Yabo? Lo C oqala is bonded to OH about 3. This is how we got the CH3 condensed structural formula. And then kube khona lo C wesibili ubonde no H no OH. So which is why kube CH OH. And then sibe no C wes3 lo ola ubonde no H about 3 ugcina ngo CH3. And then i-condensed structural formula yakho usuke usuna. And then i-molecular formula. I-molecular formula uyazi na ukuthi ikanjani. Ibala nje bonke. So OC bangaki 1 2 3 so C3. OH 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 7. Awubali uhambiselana no O obuzo add out eceleni. OH. And then usuqedile. This is everything you need to know based on ama alcohols. So take this down kubalekile because yonke into kumele uyikhumbule because usazohamba you identify, usazohamba uyayidwebela wena ama organic compounds. Ase ukulandela. Alright. So, manje sidile nama aldehydes. Ama aldehydes wabona ukuthi anokufana nalowo ngesokwenza emva kwala sobiza ngama ketones. Kuyafana exactly uhluke i-positioning yani i-functional group. Okay, so homological series aldehydes. General formula CnH2n O. Yabo kuna O egcineni. Functional group it is a C or carbon obonde nomunye carbon, but lo carbon lo unjani ubonde with O, a double bond O at the end or on the side. The suffix al. Uma kuthiwa al it means since we have umeth so methanol, we have ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol, octanol. Okay. And then man is a structural formula. So propanol. Prop means 3. 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's on the first carbon, so there's no need to like this. Okay, so the C double bond O making it an aldehyde. Double partner down because of a ketone. Okay, so this is how you draw it, and then OH. The reason why I get OH it is because the electron will be bonded no H is bonded no O, since O a double bond. And then see we condense structural formula yakona. The condensed structural formula uyazi now ubukusiwa water ubhale yonke into around it. Nango see HHH or H about 3 CH3. Lo C uxhumane nalo C. So lo C lo uno H ababili CH2. Lo C lo uno H no O so CHO, and then you are done. Yabo kulula. And then we also have something called a molecular formula. Molecular formula nayo ubala onke ama atoms individual. So sino C or H or O. Starting o C bangaki 1 2 3 so C3. OH bangaki 1 2 3 4 5 6 so 6. O bangaki uyedwa so bhala O, and then you are done. Yabo ayikho into enzima la. Yonke into isuke iphambi kwakho. But ke wabamba maldehydes ngempela ukuthi i double bond isegcinini. Asambe siyobheka ama-ketones. Alright, so buka siza nama-ketones manje. Ama-ketones ithe wena ayafana nama-aldehydes. Umehluko ukuthi u-C double bond uphakathi nendawo kwabanye o-carbon atoms. Kanti kwe-aldehydes u-C double bond usegcineni. Okay, so i-general formula la iyafana, CnH2nO iyafana namani nama-aldehyde. Functional group njengoba ngisho kumele kube khona o-C phakathi nendawo kwalo C ono double bond O. I-suffix akona-one but mawufaka i-syllable kuyashintsha. Njengokuthi mawuthi methanal awusasho ukuthi methanal. Mawuthi nal igcineni usuke shuthi usukhuluma ngani nge-aldehyde. Mawuthi propanal ukhuluma ngani i-ketone. So example is propanal. Now structural formula ya propanal. We have our prop, which means all carbon about 3 vele baqala 3 kweni kwi-aldehyde, kwi-ketone I mean, because kubalekile sibe phakathi nendawo kulapho. So emva kwalapho safaka ini phakathi nendawo u-double bond, and then which means awasekho H ozoba la because leyo bond isingenile. Safaka o-H ke on kulabo C abasemaceleni, and then we were done. And then i-structural formula sethu esisebenzisayo ke manje yilo C lo CH3, yabo, COCH3, and then suqedini. Siya kwi-molecular formula. I-molecular formula ibala wonke ama-atoms. So sezoba u-C bangaki 1 2 3 futhi C3, and then sibe no H 1 2 3 4 5 6 sibe no O owodwa, and then we are done, yabo. So manje sesizoyaba kwimindeni ewu-2 esele ama-carboxylic acids nama-ester, and then saqeda ke ngemindeni sekuyimass yofunda ukuname ama-compounds. Asambe sobheka. Alright, so deal nama-carboxylic acids manje. Omunye umndeni nawo lo ama-homologous series. Formula yakhona ke u-CnH2n nayo, but egcineni ino-O2. Bawu-2 o-O. Functional group is u-C double bond O mela bond no-C aphinda bond no-OH or ama-alcohol. So C double bond O no-OH eceleni. And then i-suffix legcina ngayo oic acid. Okusho ukuthi uma siqala 1 futhi u-methanoic, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, hexanoic acid, heptanoic acid, octanoic acid, depending on the number of carbons on the chain. So example esidila nayo manje is the propanoic acid. Now you get these structural diagrams akhona. I-formula now about 3 because of prop, and then kumele kube khona u-double bond O no-OH ukuze kwazi ukuba i-carboxylic acid. So this is how you draw it. And then we have i-condensed structural formula sakhona. I-condensed structural formula sayo ubuye usiyoqala ukuthi uno 1 2 3, so CH3, sesibili CH2, sesithathu COOH. Ngakho sicela ngento ekanje engathi ukhulu, yabo. And then we have i-molecular formula again, suyazi bala yonke into. Bangako C 1 2 3 sikhona lo C lo. Bangako H 1 2 3 4 5 6 bala, and then mase zobani u-O nango munye O, which means sebangaki sebe-2. Otherwise bekuzogcina ngo-O owodwa ukube lo O lo ubungekho bekuzoba khona O owodwa. So lo O lo ubalekile because uma engekho lo C double bond O futhi phela sekuyi-alcohol, yabo. Kanti asidili ne-alcohol, sidila ne-carboxylic acids. Asabe sokwenza manje umndeni wama-ester. Okay, nangu lo mndeni lo ogcina ama-ester, bizwa ngokuthi esters. General formula nakhona iyafana nama-carboxylic acids. Nakhona it is because o nakhona bazoba u-2, but i-positioning ehlukile. Ikhona u-C double bond, but manje awusaxhumene no-OH, khona u-O kuphela. Okay, so i-suffix yakhona o8 usho ukuthi uthi methanoids, propanoids, octanoids kanjalo kanjalo. Example esebenza ngayo ethyl methanoids. Ethyl methanoids, okay. U-eth uhambisana no2 angithi. U-meth uhambisana no1. So ethyl, this is the 2 carbons. Meth, this is the 1 carbon. Remember? So it's more like ade befuna ukwenza u-propanoids but wasebenzisa u-ethyl no-methyl. Okay. So now C no C with the hydrocarbons now, and then they bonded with the O, which means double C but 2. The C double bond O and another C partnering to there is an O, which is how you get it O about 2, and then an H you get at the end. The structural formula there. The condensed formula in the molecule you masuna is structural because the condensed was a bugo C pairs. So C around it 1 2 3 pretty CH3. Lo 1 2 pretty CH2. O salabani CH and then siphumile. Ini structural formula sakho. And then okulandela we can have in molecular formula. I'm sure you know usuyayazi because ilula kakhulu. What you do is we have ukuthi bangaki ama individual atoms. We have carbon which are 1 2 3 C3. We have hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have oxygen 1 2 also, and then you're done. I don't think kuzoba khona inkinga concerning ukwazi lama homologous series or lemndeni le of organic compounds esikhuluma ngayo. So this is kwenza ke manje after this is called ama isomers.